this moment finds you in wonderful health and a truly peaceful spirit. It is an absolute joy to have you here as we explore a home that challenges our understanding of architecture. Most houses are built to stand against the elements, but today, we are visiting a sanctuary built with them. Join us as we explore nature meets dream living in this magical stone cave house. A breathtaking retreat where raw geology meets refined luxury, proving that the most beautiful place to live is in the very heart of the earth itself. There is a profound sense of security that comes from knowing you are shielded by millions of years of geology. Walking into a cave house, you immediately feel the weight of the world lift as the thick bedrock absorbs the chaos of the outside world. The elegance isn't found in gold leaf or crystal, but in the honest, unpainted surfaces of the earth itself. It is a return to our most basic need for shelter, reimagined through a lens of high design and absolute serenity. Unlike the harsh 90-degree angles of modern suburban homes, a cave house moves with the fluidity of water. The walls curve and flow according to the natural veins of the stone, creating rooms that feel like they are hugging the inhabitants. There are no sharp corners here. Instead, the eye is guided gently from one space to the next, mimicking the soft, rolling hills of the landscape above. It is architecture that feels grown rather than built. To live in a stone cave house is to exist in a permanent state of seasonal harmony. Deep within the earth, the temperature remains remarkably constant. In the height of a scorching summer, the stone remains cool to the touch, pulling heat away from the body. In the depths of winter, the mass of the rock acts as a giant battery, storing warmth and releasing it slowly. It is a masterclass in passive energy that feels as good on the skin as it does on the spirit. One might expect a cave to be dark, but a well-designed stone house is a theater of light. Imagine deep shafts cut through the earth, allowing vertical beams of sunlight to spill down like liquid gold onto a rock-hewn floor. The light interacts with the mineral facets of the walls, creating a shimmering, ever-changing dance of shadows. It creates a connection to the sky above, reminding you that even while nestled deep in the ground, you are always bathed in the sun's glow. The true magic of cave living lies in the contrast. Imagine a bedroom where a jagged, unpolished rock wall serves as the headboard, but the bed itself is layered in the softest silk, cashmere, and linen. This interplay between the hard world of the mountain and the soft world of human comfort creates a sensory experience that is incredibly grounding. It proves that luxury doesn't need to be delicate. It can be anchored in the rugged strength of the earth. When a cave house is carved into the side of a cliff or a hill, the windows become living landscape paintings. These aren't standard frames. They are apertures cut directly into the mountain's face. From the inside, you look out across valleys or forests from a perspective that feels hidden and safe. The thick stone frames provide a sense of watching without being seen, a rare luxury that offers a front-row seat to the changing seasons and the wild movements of nature. There is a specific kind of silence that only stone can provide. A thick, velvety quiet that swallows the sound of wind, rain, and traffic. Within these walls, your own voice sounds richer, and the crackle of a fireplace becomes the dominant melody. It is a home designed for deep thinkers and quiet souls. In a cave house, the bedrock acts as a massive acoustic buffer, creating a private world where the only noise is the slow, steady rhythm of your own breath. As the sun sets and the deep protective shadows of the stone begin to stretch, a profound sense of peace settles over the cave. Living within the earth is a beautiful reminder that we are not separate from nature, but a part of it. These rock-hewn walls stand as a silent promise of stability, silence, and a life lived with deep intention. May your own home always be a place that grounds you, and may you find the same unshakable calm and natural grace that lives within these ancient, hollowed walls.